How to get voice chat on Roblox Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can get voice chat on Roblox Android. So without further delay, let's get started. Before we move forward, we have to understand the eligibility criteria in order to enable voice chat on Roblox. For that, you must be 13 years or older. And your account should have a verified phone number. Along with that, you should have a verified your age as well. So in order to verify your phone number and your age, once you're on your Roblox homepage, tap on the More button at the at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Settings. Tap on Account Info, and under your account info, make sure that you have verified your phone number and your email. If you have added your phone number, it should be verified, or if you have added your email, it should be verified. After that, verify your age as well. Tap on Verify My Age. After that, follow the prompts to scan a government issued ID, and you would also be asked to take a selfie for verification. So verify your age as well. So once you have the verification, or after the successful age verification, now head back to the settings. And under settings, now you have to go to the privacy and content restrictions. And under the privacy and content restriction, you would find the option to turn on voice chat under the beta features. So scroll through these options here and then look for an option as voice chat. Once you find the voice chat, turn on the toggle to enable voice chat in your Roblox account. And in case if you cannot find the voice chat option, make sure that your account meets the eligible criteria. If not, then you may not find the option. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.